Now, of course, contrary to popular belief, I do have enough sense to come in out of the rain. So I'm going to stand here under the roof and take pictures of the storm. But this is kind of impressive. I love it when nature just comes along every once in a while and kicks us in the head to remind us that we may be the dominant species, but we are not the dominant force on this planet. If she wanted to, Mother Nature could come along and blow us right off the face of this earth, and there is nothing we could do about it. I hope she doesn't do that.